Hi, in this lesson, we'll learn how to read a line from a file. In the previous lesson, we learned how to read characters from files using the read method. Using the read method, we are able to read a given number of characters, or the entire file as a string. In this lesson, we will learn how to use another file reading method called readLine. When the readLine method is called, it reads and returns one line from the file. For example, if we called readLine on the following file, the first string it would return is this. Notice how the string includes white space characters, like spaces, and even new line characters. Each line of a file, even empty lines, all end with a new line character. Each time we call readLine, it will move down to the next line, read it, and return the line as a string. When we call readLine, but we are at the end of the file, the readLine method returns the empty string. The empty string does not have a new line character. Let's see some examples of this in the editor.